Ready? Start. Sir, all the opposition ruled states have to suffer from partisan attitude of the center. Stop. Your attitude is not to participate in any developmental activity because you have a political problem with the state. Stop. If people don't invest dollars, then others would not invest rupees also. Stop. Investors always have an option. Stop. If you want to implement the programs of this government or to generate economic activity, then you have to create an environment for it. Stop. The environment cannot be partition. Stop. Corruption is something which adds to the cost and is a great disincentive to investment. Stop. People will start losing confidence. Stop. Everywhere the Facebook or the Twitter have become the most important instruments of opinion making. Stop. The telecom portfolio is reserved only for one political party. Stop. Then corporates, middle persons, lobbyists all plan their strategies accordingly. Stop. You give it to some people on a first come first serve policy at a fraction of the market cost. Stop. The Prime Minister cautioned the telecom minister, but he did not listen to the caution. Stop. Subsidies should be merit based. Stop. There is an environment of festivity when sports events are held. Stop. Never have the games been held under a shadow of so much pessimism and cynicism. Stop. The kind of people in whose hands the games were entrusted to created an entirely negative environment around the organization of the games. Stop. Even 4 months after the games are over, we are still at odds as to what do we do with these infrastructure which are created. Stop. There are several areas of corruption. Stop. For the last 1 year, the CBI has been investigating into those matters. Stop. The CBI is not even allowed to interrogate that officer for months together because the moment these people are interrogated, you reach its logical conclusion. Stop. Stanza. The statement which the Prime Minister made entirely dealt with what happened after 2010 when a proposal was made to annul the contract. Stop. The correct issue is how this contract was awarded in the first instance. Stop. Our space organization has been one of the most respectable organizations in this country. Stop. What was happening when this entire contract was awarded? Stop. This department is directly under the Prime Minister's office. Stop. We have a spectrum of a very high quality. Stop. 90% of this satellite capacity transponders and spectrum 2G equivalent is to be used by a private party. Stop. Who is this private party? Stop. I would urge the Prime Minister not to close the issue with merely saying that we have decided to annul the deal. Stop. If 2G licenses are today cancelled, the criminality won't be wiped out. Stop. The Cabinet has approved this agreement in December 2005. Stop. These things have to come out in public domain and adequate answer has to be given. Stop. The lack of a proactive government in detecting black money and assets held by Indians abroad has been a disturbing issue. Stop. The people who hold money outside, whether it is crime money or money from tax evasion, they have to be prosecuted. Stop. The President address refers to the money where some assessments have been made. Stop. This has nothing to do with monies lying in Swiss banks. Stop stanza. The issue of Jammu and Kashmir has been a matter of very serious concern which impinges on India's sovereignty. If you look at the last 64 years of history, the entire effort has been to weaken the political and constitutional relationship between the state and the rest of the country. Stop. Please introspect and see whether it is towards fuller integration or towards separation. Stop. The reports of two working groups are overlapped. Stop. That would not resolve the issue. Stop. If jobs are created and people can be helped, it will be always welcome. Stop. Our suggestion to government is that to go ahead if the steps which help the people of the state remove inter-regional imbalances in the state, but please do not take any step which goes in the direction of weakening this political and constitutional relationship. Stop. The Maoist problem is a battle where India needs to be together. Stop. We need a proactive central government as far as this issue is concerned. Stop. The approach of the government that law and order is the state subject is not going to overcome this battle. Stop stanza. Sir, our party strongly supports the demand of Telangana state and we would urge the government to immediately complete the consultation process and move in that direction. Stop. There is one area of deep concern to us as to what is the state of the various institutions which are required to function independently in a democracy. Stop. This government has been misusing the CBI. Stop. We have cautioned the government not to make partisan appointments to the institutions like Election Commission or CVC. Stop over.